Next problem number 12. The value of integral they have given. Integral cos 2 pi z by 2z minus 1 into z minus 3 dz. Then contour they have given. By seeing this contour I can tell x comma y as 0 comma 0 and radius is 1. Radius is 1 and x comma y is 0. Okay, draw that contour. This is I minus I. Draw this properly. I am drawing just for free hand curve. Okay, you just draw properly. Then this is 1 and this will be minus 1. Then take these two things whichever are in denominator. 2z minus 1 equal to 0, z minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so you cannot take 2z always. Why? Because you should take out 2 outside, because you cannot take 2, because always you should have z minus a only. Here you have 2z, that should not be the thing. So that will be z minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. That means z is 1 by 2. These 2 will be there. We will write outside the integral. Okay, by removing this and by making this 1 by 2, we will write 1 by 2 over here. Then what you will get, z is equal to half and z is equal to 3. Tell me which lies in contour. Z is equal to 1 by 2 is here. Yes, it is inside the contour. Z equal to 3, here it will be, it is outside the contour. So inside down and outside you have to send up. Inside down, inside down, that means z minus half will be down. 1 by 2 cos 2 pi z, cos 2 pi z by z minus 3. I have sent it upward because this is outside the contour, divided by this is inside the contour, that's why I have kept down. Inside down. Okay, then 1 by 2 into 2 pi I into f of 1 by 2, f of a, right? F of 1 by 2. Then what is function now? Function is this function. Substitute 1 by 2 in that function. Substitute 1 by 2 here. 2 cancel. What you will get? I'll write cos 2 pi into 1 by 2 by, here 1 by 2 minus 3. 2 get cancelled. What you are going to get now? Pi I into 2 cancel, cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1 divided by 6 minus 6 by 2. So minus 5 by 2. Then minus cancel, the entire thing will be 2 pi I by 5. 2 pi I by 5. Option C is correct. Okay, let us solve problem number 13. What they are saying? The value of integral z square by z power 4 minus 1 using Cauchy's integral theorem. Whichever is lying inside, you have to keep it. Whichever is lying inside, you have to keep it down, and whichever is not lying inside, you have to send it to the numerator, and that will act as f of z. Okay, then what they have given? They have given contour mod z plus 1, mod z plus 1 equal to 1. This thing compare with z minus x plus iy equal to r. Then z minus, this thing I can write it as z minus minus 1 plus I into 0. Okay, is equal to 1. Why? Because z plus 1, this will be 0. This will be in this form only. You have to formulate in terms of like this. Then x comma y center is how much? Minus 1 comma 0 and radius is 1. Draw center. Suppose this is 0 comma 0 line. 0 comma 0 line and center is minus 1 comma 0. Okay, minus 1 comma 0. Radius is 1. That means here up to this point. Then radius is 1, so 1 up to 0 it will come. 0, here it will go up to minus 2 and upwards it will go up to I, and downwards it will go up to minus I. Draw the circle. This is the contour. Okay, this is the contour. Now take downward values. Z power 4 minus 1. Z power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. I can write z square whole square minus 1 equal to 0. A square minus b square can be written as a square plus 1. A square plus a plus b into a minus b. Now z square plus 1 equal to 0. Z square minus 1 equal to 0. Z square is equal to minus 1. z square, z is equal to root over minus 1, that is plus r minus I. Z square equal to 1, z is equal to plus r minus 1. That means z is equal to I comma minus I. Then z is equal to what? Z is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Okay, which is lying inside the contour? Z is equal to I. It is on the contour, so you cannot take. Z equal to minus I. It is also on the contour, you cannot take. Okay, then z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1, no chance, it is outside the contour. Z is equal to minus 1 is inside the contour, only one value. Z is equal to, these things I can write it as z minus 1, z plus 1. Z plus 1, this is z plus 1, this is z minus 1. This is not lying inside, but this is lying outside. So this is z square plus 1 is lying outside, and z plus 1 is also z minus 1 is also lying outside. So this entire thing I should send to the denominator. Okay, I should send to the numerator, and this thing I should keep in the denominator, I down. Okay, so now write it, integral of z square by z square plus 1 into z minus 1 into z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 is lying inside, z plus 1 dz. But this z plus 1 you cannot write like this, you have to write like z minus of minus 1. Why? Because plus 1 cannot be, z minus a is the only option. Okay, you have to write like this. Now what you will get? 2 pi I into, here I am doing 2 pi I into f of a, f of minus 1, 2 pi I into f of minus 1 is how much? Minus 1 whole square, that is 1 by, here in this function you have to substitute z is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Total how much you are getting? 2 pi I by minus 4, 2 2s are minus 4, so minus pi I by 2, minus pi I by 2. Option B is correct. Option B is correct.